Hello guys, how are you? We look up for digital success and holistic growth. On this video, we will be looking at uh, our digital literacy segment, what we have included, and what the digital literacy is all about. And let's say it together. Okay, here as you can see, we have the basic ICT and troubleshooting section, and also the screen time section. For each section we have uh, their own YouTube link, which leads you to the playlist. Once you click this button, it will open specific playlist. So that's how you access the video resources. First, on this video, I want to explain about what digital literacy is all about and its relevance. The screen time. First, let's see how we will going to deliver this segment. This segment, the screen time segment, focus and looks on computer and mobile applications that come in handy apart in a for professional and personal usage, like to make us more effective and efficient in our schoolwork, or to elevate workload and getting smart and efficient with our phones. Screen time, because we said screen time because the tutorial is presented by recording active desktop or mobile active mobile screen, apart from getting connected with friends and family, and to enhance online presence for other arenas, like making you more efficient in your schoolwork and professional duty. The videos are prepared so that it can be engaging and less tiresome. As you can see from this picture, this is how we're going to deliver the videos. Softwares that will be explored are graphic design softwares, programming language IDEs, integrated development environments, and 3D modeling applications. We're going to introduce you different kinds of softwares that can be very useful for your work, and we will try to show you the working area, and we will try to introduce these softwares so that you can use them for your creative work or for other purpose purpose. Okay, this one is this picture. As you can see from this image, this we're going to present this in this way. By consuming our video, you can easily learn how to use different softwares. We will suggest you newly introduced ones. You will have the best experience with your smartphones and use your time productively. This is all about the screen time. We'll be uploading videos in relation to the screen time section. When it comes to the basic ICT and troubleshooting courses, so as we all know that the acronym ICT stands for the Information Communication Technology. As the name implies, it involves communicating, transferring information through technology devices. Digital devices are useful for transferring and storing data. This segment on basic level will delve into how to use our computers. So from this section, you will be able to how to effectively use your personal computers. We'll try to show you techniques on how uh, to use your computers and effectively for professional use or your creative use and the like. Basic components are software and the hardware. It will be elaborated in this segment. As a current stage of CPU technology, we will try to see the current uh, nowadays what kind of at what stage has CPU technology has reached. That will be assessed, and also the computer memory, which includes the RAM and ROM, basic concepts of data and how we can make use of it, and the other when it comes to the computer troubleshooting, how to install operating system or OS on your computer, and how to format boot your computer, and also the network, how to configure your network, and also how to connect different devices. This will be uh, covered here. Uh, okay. For, then what is all this? What is the relevance of having this grasping this knowledge? The main point is why do we need to be digital literate? If you ask this question, here is the answer for you. Okay, since we are living in the 21st century, uh, the ability to use technological products effectively and productively is very important. The American Library Association defines digital literacy as the ability to use information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, and create and communicate information, requiring both cognitive, which means that involves our thinking facilities, and technical skills. Uh, Based on the definition of American library, uh, just because we are able to send text, or since we can post on social media, that by itself doesn't entail or imply that we possess digital, that we are digitally literate. So we need to be more uh, uh, responsible when it comes to creating digital contents. On the early stage of the internet, the focus of digital literacy was on more of on personal computers. But after the advance of smartphones and the boom of social media, its focus shifted to more on handheld, which means our mobile devices. What is required? So in this case, nowadays, since we are ever more surrounded by these digital devices, and also we are act- continuously consuming social media contents, we need to be more conscious and informed about digital literacy in order to consciously consume what is uh, the best thing to uh, which will be useful for us. So in order to choose uh, uh, from good and bad, we need to be digitally literate. So on this regard, we will going to help you guys. So ways in which people use digital equipments and their online presence uh, to gather, evaluate, create, and transfer. This digital literacy involves the skills of how you use your digital device to gather and evaluate and transfer information beyond basic computer skill and digital uh, basic computer skill and usage of digital devices in order to endorse and form online connections, problem solving, and information handling. This also will be covered. This kind of issues will be covered here. The right and wrongs on the digital space also will be covered. How we can employ the digital skills for work. Many educational platforms and organizations offer online courses specifically designed to teach digital literacy skills. These courses are typically self-paced and cover various aspects of digital literacy, such as basic computer usage and internet usage and online safety and digital skills for work and information literacy and the like. Uh, in our case, we will be looking how we can effectively use the internet and how to keep our online safety and how to use our computer on the basic level. Online learning education, when it comes to online learning education, it's very important. Having digital literacy helps you to uh, learn and to equip yourself and to be competent on the education to enhance your education level. And also for information literacy, digital literacy often encompasses digital literacy skills. Information literacy involves the ability to find, evaluate, and use information effectively and ethically. The ethically should be underlined because we need to know the right and wrongs in the digital space. Digital literacy skills enable individuals to search for information, critically evaluate sources, and differentiate between reliable and unreliable information online. Uh, when it comes to the digital privacy and security, you need to keep your digital privacy and security. In this regard, we will try to help you guys on how to keep your digital privacy and security, ways in which to uh, maintain your digital privacy and security, digital empowerment and inclusion, and there are other bullet points that worth mentioning. Does consuming online content entail to possess digital skill? If we technically and rationally employ to serve, create, and transfer digital contents, then we are on the right track to be digitally literate. Okay, uh, let's see the need for digital literacy. The need for digital, since we are ever more surrounded by digital products, it makes digital literacy ever so and ever more important. Digital products are vital to make life easy by cutting time and energy costs. Why digital literacy is important and why individuals need to give priority to enhance their digital skill. Here are some arguments that uh, we need to know. First, access to information. Digital literacy helps us to uh, uh, by broadening uh, our access to information. Digital literacy allows individuals to effectively navigate and access information online. It empowers individuals to find uh, reliable, reliable sources, evaluate the credibility of information, and make informed decisions based on accurate data. And also communication, when it comes to communication and collaboration, digital literacy enables effective communication and collaboration in various online platforms, and it includes skills such as email integrity and using social media responsibly and participating in virtual meetings and discussions. It's also important for finding jobs, for job opportunities. It's highly valued in the job market. Having digital skills will help you to be competent on the job market by such as it will increase your proficiency in using productive tools, navigating online platforms, and adapting to digital workflows and the like. Uh, when it also is important to for your creativity, provides individuals with the tools and skills to express their creativity through digital media. It includes skills such as graphic design, video editing, coding, and content creation, and the like. Okay, So uh, digital literacy is very important skill to one should possess. We will going to uh, upload videos as I have mentioned earlier on the screen time and the basic ICT and troubleshooting section. We will be uploading respective videos on each section. So all you have to do is subscribe, like, and share our TikTok, YouTube, and Telegram channels and Facebook channels, and you will be continuously updated with the contents that I have already mentioned for you. Stay tuned for more digital hulaga for digital success and holistic growth. Thank you.